thought of as a crane of some description. There are a great variety of these possible. A medium-sized truck-mounted hydraulic crane is of course ideal, but if you plan to build only one house, this may be a little expensive. Older equipment can be reasonable, and then there is the possibility of passing the equipment on to the next builder when you are finished. A tower crane setup is suited only for a building yard, but the older dragline cranes are often inexpensive and reliable, but make sure that it is safe. A gin pole setup is all right if you are mechanically inclined, or it may be possible to get a lift from the friend with the self-loading truck who delivered the logs in the first place. A self-loading truck does not have a great long reach, but if your building is accessible and you can get around it, they will work quite well. Another option may be to use a more exciting front-end loader. Along with this first power source, you will need a pair of loading tongs or a grapple to move the logs with. Otherwise, the tools for placing and holding are not too extensive. Peaveys, log dogs, come-alongs will do for the most part. Buy or make a heavy wooden maul. Get several Peaveys and of different lengths. There is no such thing as having too many. If you have a short-handled one to use up on the building, it is more convenient. Use the larger ones on the ground, especially if you are dealing with heavy or crooked logs. Not exactly like this person is doing, that is a little bit dangerous. Better to pull on a Peavey, that way you should not hurt your back. There are two indispensable types of log dogs, rolling dogs and drive dogs. These will probably have to be made. The rolling dog can be used in three positions. 1. To roll the log in place. 2. To prevent the log from rolling. And 3. To allow the log to slide, but not roll. These are all useful functions on the building or on the skids. A drive dog is intended to hold the log in place under most conditions. These also will most likely have to be made, but their success is very dependent on the size, shape, and weight. Get a good sample for a pattern. and you should have at least 6 of these. You can make these adjustable blocks, but use them with care. They are used to hold the unsupported end of a short log, but use drive dogs for more security also. There are several types of come-along available. The cable type shown next is suitable. These have too many uses to enumerate, but where moving, adjusting, and securing heavy material is a large part of the operation, they have a prominent place. A heavy wooden mallet can be made from a round of log end or a better piece of hardwood. You'll find that it is in use every day. Other equipment that you can make and that you should have on the site is a selection of wedges and some portable stands or blocks to support logs while they are being cut.